guys, welcome back to my channel. Ouch. My intros will never be perfect first of all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, this is a very exciting video for me. So I am super excited because as you already know by the title and because I have been uploading everywhere possible that I was selected in the top 15 of the NYX FACE Awards, and I am so happy and overwhelmed. And so I received this box from NYX because I got selected. Yes, I think I'll say that 100 times in this video, but yes, I got selected. I'm super pumped to share the unboxing with you guys. So yeah, let's just dive right into the unboxing. So firstly, I want to say that I opened the packaging that it came in. I kind of like sneak peeked into the products that I've got. So first of all, I got this laptop bag, and this is how it looks. So it's a pink laptop bag and it looks like this, and it is so cute. I love it. And next, let's finally dive into the box. This is the box, guys, and it says FACE Awards right here. And as I open the box, these are all the products that you can see that I'm going to show you. Firstly, I have this cardboard lipstick right here that says congrats, and it says welcome to the top 15. We were blown away by your artistry. Here's some love from us to help you grab a place in the top 6. Keep killing it! Now I'm going to show you the products. Firstly, that I can spot in here is an eyeshadow palette that says NYX Tropic. This is how the palette looks like. It has some really beautiful shimmer shades and matte shades. I think this is so pretty. Let me just swatch some for you. Oh my god. One thing you have to know about me is that I die for palettes that have a lot of color in it, you know, that I can create really amazing looks with. There's another off-tropic palette in here, and this is like so me. I love this. So there's another eyeshadow palette in here which says love you so mochi. This is from the mochi collection, and this is how the palette looks like. I think I just swatch the yellow shade because I'm obsessed with yellow, guys, as you can see. So this is the yellow shade right here. It's so gorgeous. And another eyeshadow palette again. This is the smoky and highlight shadow from the Ultimate collection. These are all the colors in it. I think they're very cool toned smoky colors, and I'm loving it. Ooh, so we have a ring light in here that I can clasp on my phone and use it. Foundation. There's Stay Matte but Not Flat foundations in here, and I have 3 shades in here, and they are medium beige, light beige, and damp. So for y'all who want to know my shade, basically I use like a darker shade on me because I do not like very fair foundation. I like it to be my shade or like one tone darker. So medium beige is my shade. Oh my god, so this is one of my favorite products. This is a setting spray which is in a dewy finish. Foundation in here, and this is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, also one of my favorites, and this is in the shade Puff. There is a NYX Complete Control Makeup Sponge which I have never used, so I'm super excited to use this. So there are some liners in here. Also there's this Vivid Bright liner in here in the shade Vivid Sapphire. there are a few butter lipsticks in here. This is in the shade Afternoon Heat and Root Beer Flow. There are two matte lipsticks in the shade Indian and Mellow. So there is this mascara that is called Work the Hype, and I really like this mascara. I already own one in my makeup stash, and here's another backup. This I've been wanting from a very long time. This is the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Black, and I'm really excited to use this. Last but not the least, one of my favorite formulas is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Havana. So that is it, guys. That was everything that I got in my NYX Top 15 box, and I'm so happy to receive it. Thank you, NYX Cosmetics, for liking my work, for selecting me in the top 15, and I am super duper excited for the next round. So the first challenge is already out, and the theme is emotions, and I am super excited to create a look using these products. I mean, so beautiful. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I go by the name Makeupbykimahmed. I'll be posting my entry for the first challenge, and I'll be needing your votes, guys. And I suppose the voting will start from 16th to 22nd of August, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, so I'll be needing all of your support. If you guys like my work, then support me and vote for me and take me to the top 6. Also subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye.